The coolest shot going over the river right there. That's it. Well, I don't know. Coming back across Popper Street Bridge is the #1 shot. But anyway, we're not here to look at the video again. We're here to do an unboxing. I've been waiting all day for this. Let me turn this volume down. I've been waiting all day to get this. The iPad Pro. It's black. 1 terabyte. 11-inch M5 Wi-Fi. I did not get the cellular.
Gateway Arch is a 630-foot tall monument in St. Louis.
Take me to the Gateway Arch.
There is a Gateway Arch.
I did not get the cellular version because, well, that's just another additional monthly payment you got to pay for cellular service on it. I'm usually at home editing on Wi-Fi, or I'm going to be editing on Wi-Fi from the iPad Pro. So I don't need regular Wi-Fi. I mean, when I'm editing on the cameras, with the cameras, they use the camera's Wi-Fi. I don't have to have Wi-Fi internet service to edit, to work. So the main reason I bought this is because I just need to. I need to start not having to do so much work. If I have to do a multicam edit, I'm still going to have to go to the computer for that. But I can edit Final Cut Pro on this iPad Pro. I've been dreaming of this for years. You have no idea how excited I am. I've been dreaming of this for years. And I know you can do, you can't do multicam per se, but you can do an additional B-roll track in your timeline. And that's all I need. I mean, if I could do that, that's going to give me 80% of my multicam edits. Just being able to put B-roll up there. I don't know. I'm excited. I didn't even want to make this video because I just wanted to open it, you know? And I thought, well, I'm just going to open it. People don't care about watching me open this box, you know? And if you're thinking, well, it must be nice. Well, I'm going in debt for this, like everything else I have done. So it's not like I'm rich or something, and I'm certainly not making any money on YouTube. Not yet. Hopefully, I can start making some money if I can monetize my channel. But I have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours, and I'm quite shy of that right now. But anyway, I can't do anything without. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm kind of an a-hole when it comes to perfectionists, because, you know, if I can't do something perfect, I just don't want to take the time to do it. And if I lose interest in it, and I don't want to do it anymore. So anyway, this is going to be so cool. You're going to see such great videos because I have this. And I hope you appreciate my efforts, you know. And all I ask that you do is subscribe. You don't have to turn the notifications on if you don't want to know every time I get a, you know, upload a video. You can come back and check whenever you want. You won't be bothered if you don't turn the bell on. I know I get bothered because I got the bell on some of these channels that I really don't care to know every time you upload a video. I like to go back to your channel every once in a while and see what you've uploaded lately, but I don't have to be notified the second you upload it. So if that's the way you feel about me, I understand that. If you want to be notified, though, it's pretty nice because as soon as I upload a video, you'll be notified that I have a new one. So anyway, I need 1,000 subscribers. So if you could help me out, I'm not asking for money. I'm just asking, just for a little help here to build up my channel. If you don't like my videos, I don't want you to subscribe because it's so disappointing. I see every one of you. I see every one of you that subscribe to my channel. I've been doing this for 5 years. I see every one of you when you subscribe. I don't know who you are, but I know you're a number and you're somebody that's interested in watching my videos. So if you're not interested in watching my videos, don't subscribe. But if you're interested and you subscribe, then that gives me so much motivation to do so much better. And I'm going to be able to do that with this. So anyway, let's get this thing open. And I can't wait. I'll probably be editing on Final Cut Pro before I go to bed. I might not even go to bed. Tonight. I've been cleaning the house all day. I've been taking care of chores and trying to get things done because I knew once I get this, I won't be doing anything else but taking her out potty, right? She likes to potty a lot. But anyway, let's open this box, huh? Let's see what we got, Angel. All right. It smells new. Kind of like a new car. All righty. Well, how do we get this out of here? Oh, there we go. Ah. Look at that, Angel. Look. What do you think, huh? There's so much here that you could tear up. All right. I love opening up new computers. I haven't had an iPad in years. The last iPad I had was nothing but an oversized iPhone. And it wasn't even as good looking as the iPhone was at the time. I don't know what. I don't even know where that old iPad is laying around. It's laying around here somewhere. Slick, huh? Ooh, that's so thin. Oh my gosh. I got a case coming. It's going to get here tomorrow. I'm afraid to death I'm going to drop it before I get the case. And I got a keyboard coming. I ordered a keyboard for it today. It's the Apple keyboard for this. That's pretty, huh? They say the black, you get a lot of smudges from the black. But oh well. I don't even know how to turn this thing on. There's no button. I'm going to have to... there's a button on my phone. There's not even a button. All right. I guess I better get the instructions out, huh? My goodness. I wish I could figure this out without having to read the instructions. Because that means I'm smart. That would just mean I was smart. I better read the instructions. I got a lot of reading to do. Not much instructions, is there? Alrighty, how do we turn this thing on? Welcome to iPad Pro. Top button. Press and hold to turn on iPad Pro or activate Siri. Welcome to top button.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Siri, go away. I wasn't talking to you.
Okay.
At the light, turn left on the 3rd Street, then turn left on the South 4th Street.
Tips. Check out the tips. I don't see no button. Oh, there's a button. Okay, I found a button. My God, it had to be a button somewhere, right? You gonna chew that up? See, I didn't have to read the instructions. I mean, I did, didn't I? I did read the instructions.
In 400 feet, turn left onto Poplar Street.
Hello. Hello. Hi. How are you? Okay. Hi. You want me to do something or what? Hello. Hello. No. Hello. Holla. Hello. 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 English. Select your country or region. The United States. Hey, we're number 1. We're right at top. Nope. United States. That's what I want. Choose how you would like text and icons to look on the iPad. I'm just going to go with the default because I have no idea. Quickly set up iPad. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near your new iPad to sign in to your Apple account and get set up. Well, I got my iPhone here. Okay. Okay, set up new iPad. Yeah. Set up your new iPad. This will transfer your current settings. Okay.
Turn left onto Park Avenue.
Hold your new iPad up to the camera. Oh, okay.
That's 44 West Way. Both?
Getting things ready. Okay. Why are you whispering? Set up new iPad. Use your Apple account, Ron Priest. Yep. To set up your new iPad. Set up for me. Yes. Do it for me. Do it all for me. Finish on new iPad. Keep this iPhone near your new iPad while your information is transferred. Enter passcode of your iPhone. Your account is protected by the passcode on your iPhone. Your passcode is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. After you enter this passcode, it will also become the passcode for this iPad. Forget passcode. No, I'll enter passcode. Okay. Well, y'all can't see this. Alrighty. Setting up iPad. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Apple collects hardware identifiers from your iPad in order to identify and activate it on our services. All right. Continue. Data privacy. This icon appears when Apple feature asks you to use personal information. Apple collects this information only when needed to enable specific features, secure Apple services, or personalize your experience. Apple believes privacy and fundamental human rights, so every Apple product is designed to minimize the collection of use and data of your device. Processing whenever possible. Provide transparency and control over your information. Your data on this device is also encrypted and will be permanently removed if you reset to factory settings. Continue.
Here's a Forest Park, 5.5 miles away.
We're going to Forest Park. This is a cool video if you haven't watched it.
You want to get directions to
Face ID, yes.
giving directions to Forest Park at 55
Rotate landscape. This one? All right. Angel, your butt's right in the camera. Angel, you want a treat? How to set up. Get started. Oh. First, position your face in the circle. Okay. Move your head slowly. Complete the circle. Alrighty. Move your head slowly to complete a circle. Did I do that? Did I do it? Follow the arrow. First Face ID scan complete. Man, I'm a good looking guy, huh? Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Alright. Face ID is now set up. Cool. Apple account password. Enter your Apple account password to continue for... Well, I gotta look that up. If I can get my phone to work.
In 2 miles, take exit 286 for Wilson Avenue.
Get my password. Stop. Forgot. Password. Oh, fuck. Angel, what are you tearing up? Oh, what are you tearing up? My new cable? I'm gonna get you. You tore up my instructions. Those detailed instructions. I'm throwing away if we can get a chance to tear it up. Content and notifications that you receive, making them easier to scan at a glance. Choose notifications to summarize. You can change summarization for individual apps in the settings, notifications, and summarize news and entertainment. Summarize may change the meaning of original headlines. Why would you do that? Communication, social. Summarize selected notifications. Priority notifications, Apple Intelligence can allow. Am I right side up? Apple Intelligence can show you notifications that may be important in a separate section on the lock screen so you can catch up on what you may have missed. Not now.